Jordan release day. We're at the Northridge Mall, and I see them on the wall already. Jordan 1 Low Chicago's just released today. Are these gonna sell out? They did sell out on sneakers this morning. Well, all the good sizes. I think like 15 and 16. They did extend size on these. 15, 16, 17. We're not sold out, but all the regular sizes did sell out this morning. Pretty freaking dope. Jordan 1 Low Chicago colorway. How do you know it's a OG right there? Because you see the Nike Air on the tongue. See the premium materials, way better than the regular Jordan 1 Lows. Tag on the back is different. It does have the Wings logo. Tag on the back is different. It does have the Wings logo on top, on the little upper overlay. The quality just overall seems to be a little bit better. These do go for $145 right here. You can really see the differences when you see one of the regular Jordan 1 Lows right here, especially the material. $130 for the regular Jordan 1 Lows. And the Taxi 12s right here, one of the more recent releases. These were one of the most iconic colorways from way back when. But yeah, they're readily available, man. I am skipping. Released today, had a raffle. Hopefully I can grab one of those. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, Jordan releases right here. The Kareem Abdul-Jabbar one's already on sale. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar with Bruce Lee collab right here. Yeah, I'm really surprised these are already on sale. This is the only spot I've seen them at too. Shoe Palace, I haven't seen those at other stores. Pretty interesting find, pretty interesting discount too. Also got some of the Samba. These are like the XLs or something. The XLG Sambas on sale in multiple colorways. And these Superstars right here are pretty interesting. Superstar 2s with suede, pretty decent. They also got the AEs right there on sale, as well as these Sambas. These look more like the OG Sambas, and they got nice little knit material. And these are interesting as well. Some buck leather, some denim. Interesting, $60. And they do got the Chicago Jordan 1 Low OGs. They do got them in the kid sizes. This is a grade school right here. And they got these here for grade school? That's a surprise. These sold out instantly for men's, and they weren't easy to get. And people were getting them for resale and stuff. But they do got these for the grade school. That is pretty crazy. Definitely crazy. Wow. Do got the trainers right here. These trainers go for $100. Not too bad. Music like hella loud, extra loud today. Club, Shoe Palace. Still got some Forces on sale and stuff like that. Music just too loud though, man. We out, man. Let's go check out the next box. Oh wait, real quick. Look at this. They got the Mamba. Got the Mamba Forces right here in purple. $120 for these bad boys. Yeah, these are pretty dope. I really like that. I don't know. I really like that Mamba snakeskin. It's not even a texture, more like it's been colored on or something. Yeah, these are pretty dope, dude. Those are pretty dope. A little too purple for me. And they got these bad boys right here. They remind me of the SB Dunks, the court purple colorway. Pretty dope, man. $120 for those. Holiday season in full effect. I haven't seen the mall this crowded in a minute. Wow. Up next is Foot Locker. And they all got them. They do all got them. Haven't sold out. Coming to the sales right. Look at this. The DNA price is starting to come down. $160 normally. And we're seeing them under $100 at the retail shops. Pretty dope. I kind of like the DNAs. I kind of do like those. I think that's a better deal than this thing right here. $574. So we've been seeing them on sale. Been seeing this SE colorway right here on sale a ton lately as well. $100. Normally $130. So just $30 off. What running shoe is this? Is this a Evo SL? Yeah, the Evo SL, $70. Dang, they probably don't have that many sizes left. This is a size 4, but that is a great price. That might be one of the cheapest we've seen them. That's hella cheap. And they got other stuff as well, nothing too crazy, but got some decent deals. Wait, what's going on right here? Because I did see Tech Fleece. I'm like, hey, what's the deal? It just says sale, but Doesn't say what percentage or what. And none of these are marked, dude. What's up? And they got $20 stuff right here. New Balance t-shirts. Mostly t-shirts. They do have some long sleeve. I like some fleece, but this is New Balance. Oh, New Balance fleece for $20. That's actually not bad. Normally $70 down to $20. That's not bad. And they got like some fleece back here as well. The New Balance fleece, that might be the best deal, to be honest. $20. Still got these, but not on sale. Axes, French Blues. These olive 3s right here with the gum outsole. Are these gonna be going for cheap later? Black toes, purple ones. I say black toes, black tongues right there, and then the pure whites. Like what the SB Dunk? No, they're not there. The book ones right here, the book ones. He's been doing some interesting colorways. Yeah, they're dropping at 100. I like this one right here. I think this is one of the best ones, the Halloween ones with all the little scorpions. And I have a feeling the outsole is glow in the dark, but I think this is one of the best book ones for sure. And got the KD Halloweens right here too. These are interesting. Not really my cup of tea, but they're interesting. They're not bad. You got the Vomeros going for 100 still. The premiums right there. The Pegasus premiums for 150. I don't know what the hell these are, but I feel like Nike's been pushing the hell out of these. The Rovers, what the hell? And yeah, do got a couple of Shocks going for 100 bucks. Do got the Chic right here. They got men's pairs of these. These are 7.5, but technically that's a men's pair. That is hella crazy. Did not see that coming. Wow. And they still got one of my favorite sales in the sneaker industry right now. 25% off everything on sale here, or all the sneakers on sale. Which means you're getting these AEs for 25% off of these prices right here. That drops this down to under $50. That's crazy. I don't even like the AE 2s right now anyway, so I think those are better deals. They got Superstars right there for 60 bucks. Got these messy Adidas right here. That might be the cheapest. We've seen that $45. They got these Gazelle ones with the Paisley. Is that what that's called? It's pretty dope. And they got some Jordan 4s that released. These are all suede right here. These are women's. Was not aware of these releasing. These are definitely interesting. Like a, I don't know what material that is on top. Is that like a jersey material? They used to call it jersey material back in the day, but I don't think that's what it's called now. But yeah, it is majority suede. Do have the round laces. These are pretty dope. Release for the women. They are going for 200. They're going for 200 already? Damn, dude, what the hell? Damn, under retail already? Got these in a grade school. Got like a chrome accents to 165. And dude, got these bad boys. We've seen these at a few spots now. And these did release in full family sizing. Got men's, got grade school. These are grade school. These are preschool and toddlers right here. And we got Nike outlet-like prices here in the back, especially with everything that has a blue tag on it. Foot Locker just had these for 100 bucks. They got them for $60 here. Are you serious? So much of a difference. Saw these just a few weeks ago. I don't know, kind of whatever about these. It is slightly better material. I think it's an SC at 145 for these. If you want a budget option, you can grab these Game Royals right here for $80 freaking dollars. Are you serious? I got these biohacks right here, 110. You remember you did get an extra 25 off for all these. I got the one highs right there, as well as these, as well as the UNCs, 140. You get 25 off. And these being given away for under 50 bucks, under $50. If one of your peeps need one of these for under 50 bucks, that's what's up. Then a new colorway of the Luca .77s. That's his signature budget line right here. 105 for these. I like the way that these look. I like these better than most of the other budget lines. But the signature shoes at least. Got the Tatum 4s right here. 130 for these. The Tatum 4s look pretty clean. I like the monocolor though. I like the single color ones. These look okay, but I like the single color ones a little better. Because the single color ones look a little more like the Shacknosis. I still got these for a budget price. 25% off of that. What is that, like 130 or something? 125? I don't know. That's hella cheap though. If you don't have a Nike outlet, this is the spot I would be hitting up. I know Chic isn't nationwide though, but they got them in the South They got them in the Midwest, and I think they got them in the West. That's about it. Air Max 1s, 75 for that one, and then 60 for this one right here. I'm not digging that color though. And then the Vomero Plus right here, Vomero Plus. Man, this is the only place with them for close to $100. Foot Locker has the Vomero, the regular Vomero 18s, but not the Vomero Plus. So yeah, that's what's up. And this is a better color than the one at Foot Locker too. Air Max 90 in a color I've never seen before. It's like corduroy on the bottom. Or is it canvas? Canvas on the bottom, suede on top, and then also got like, I don't know, is that like a knit material? I don't know, but pretty nice, pretty freaking soft. $145 for those. And do got a bunch of Vomero 5s on sale, $85, $90. I swear this was $80 at the one out at, where was that? Ontario Mills. And we got some big time budget options right here, and this is $60 for this one right here. Not bad. This I feel like this one just came out like a month ago. Got all kinds of Cortez on sale, and I think I'm gonna have to grab them here. I think I'm gonna have to grab them here. These are under $50. These are the ones that I do want. Not pulling the trigger right now because, like I just said, I spent a ton on my one tire, man. I spent way more on my one tire than I wanted, which kind of pissed me off. And it's a tire that I replaced. I think I replaced it like 4 months ago or something because the tire popped. Oh my God, I'm so mad. Never had 2 pop tires within the same year. I'm so freaking mad. But yeah, all these come for an extra $25 off. In the women's section, see a bunch of sales. $60 for Jordan 1 High right here as well. And this is a pretty dope colorway for the women right here. $170 for these bad boys. You got the matching jackets in the back right there. I feel like that's like, looks like the poofy jacket that I have, but I think mine's a little thicker. Mine's a Jordan brand. I think mine's a little bit thicker than this one. Feels like it, I don't know. Or you can grab this budget option right here for $25 off, match with the same stuff. I swear it's just because I'm old. I freaking love these shocks. I don't know. I think it's more of a nostalgia thing, dude, because I know they're not that comfortable, and I know they're not good for wide feet gang, but I freaking love these. I don't know why. But yeah, $60. That might be the cheapest we've ever seen them. Maybe if they have the bigger sizes. I don't know. But yeah, the women's pairs go for hella cheap. This is the grade school section right here. Seeing if anything really sticks out. They still have the Valentine's Day Vomeros right here for your girls. Oh my goodness, look at this, $45. $45. And it even says it's the perfect pair right there. That's what's up. But yeah, if you guys need something, stop by Chic if you guys have one around. Chic right now definitely been the most aggressive with their sales lately. So if you guys need something, y'all have a Chic around you, man. Make sure you guys stop by, dude. Got the Chic right here. And you know they got a lot of these because even Champs have them. And they got men's pairs. Crazy because resale was going crazy over these. That's why you got to be patient, man. That's what I've been talking about. You guys have to be patient because they do have men's pairs right here, readily available. A bunch of people were paying resale and getting them from resellers and stuff like that. Do got the taxis right here as well. We got the ones. 3 different colorways of the Jaw 3s right here. And I see a lot of people getting hyped for these. A lot of people thinking these look dope. I do agree. I think these look the best. They have Zoom X underneath as well, so cushioning gonna be pretty decent. Not the biggest fan of him right now, but you know, like these sneakers pretty freaking dope. He's not getting a lot of his coaches and stuff like that. I'm really curious about the backstory behind that. Fool's not even getting playing time. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if it's him squandering his opportunity or if the coaches just aren't fans of him. I don't know what's going on. So I guess I shouldn't say I'm not a fan of him. I don't know the situation well enough. Got New Balance right here. Nothing crazy, to be honest. Got these 1000s right here. These are normally $150 down to $90. So a discount on a few of these. I don't know. In my opinion, these ain't it though. These ain't it. I think they look ugly as hell, but that's your thing. Who cares what I think? Ease for $60. I swear these were on sale. I swear these were on sale before, but not anymore, I guess. Do got some of the Harden volume 9s. Is this the volume 9s or 10s? Yeah, the volume 9s on sale. Slight sale, nothing too crazy. They don't have any of the Volt colorway. Do we say Volt? Do we say that bright neon yellow, neon green? Because that was on sale here for like 80 bucks, something like that. Okay, this is what I'm talking about right here. And these are what I was talking about, the Evo SLs right here. These are perfect for not getting run over. Not getting run over so people can see you late at night. I do a lot of my running at night. That's what I think about that. My shoes are bright, but not that bright. $80 for Air Max 1s, not, or Air Max 90s, not bad. $50 for these 574s, that's not bad. That's not bad. Anything under $60, I think that's a good value for those. I've been lucky enough to grab them for way cheap. Look at this, 990s? 990s for $50? Is this grade school or is this women's? Grade school or women's? These are 5.5. I think these are, yeah, I think these are a women's. I think these are women's. It says 5 youth. So I'm pretty sure that's a women's. But yeah, that is hella cheap. That is hella cheap. Might be men's actually, or grade school. Might be grade school. But 50 bucks, way cheap. Holy crap. These retail for like 190 or something. Oh, but it is grade school. It's grade school. So yeah, 130. That's still a hell of a discount. Your girls into that type of stuff, or your kids, make sure you guys get stuff when it's on sale, not when you have to get it. Make sure you shop early. So I've done a bunch of Christmas shopping for my workers and people. Got Cortezes right here. I think these are women's. Vomeros, $50 for Vomeros. $50 for Vomero 5s, normally 110. Oh, these are grade school, but still a hell of a price, and a lot of y'all women will fit in this. Small feet gang definitely have an advantage for women. That's what's up. But yeah, pretty solid deals, man. We're seeing some solid deals. By the way, who the hell trusts that? People like that? Who trusts people like that? There's like literally nobody around there. Like someone just, what the hell? What's going on here? It's like one of those bait cars or something. Like, not that I'll take it, but I'm like, grab your stuff. I want to tell the person, hey, grab your stuff, though. It's just so random. All right, one or two more stops? I don't remember. We got JD Sports. I think this is the last shop, right? Yeah, dude. Like I said, the mall has been packed, all kinds of people. Some of them deals, especially at Champs and Chic, freaking crazy. Some of the other stores have been pretty mediocre, like this one right here. Like, yeah, I feel like seeing way better prices. This ain't bad. That ain't bad for the AEs right there. I really like these, but don't want to pay anything close to that. But yeah, maybe if these drop down to like 60 bucks, maybe. I like the all black, and then I think these also have, yeah, man. They got my favorite right there. Got that 3M reflective stuff, which I like. Classic leathers, not too shabby. Normally 85, so about 50 off. Don't know the price of these. This might be the first chain where we've seen these on sale. We haven't seen the Mellow 12s on sale like that. And yeah, they got stuff, but nothing too crazy, to be really honest. What the hell are these? What are these? What are these? I don't know. Preseason? What the hell? I do see the Taxi 12s right there. I don't see the ones, but sometimes they have the Chicago ones back there, or some releases back there, but they don't have them. I'm sure they'll bring them out later on, but do got the AEs right here, $65, pretty solid price. Hookah 4s, we're starting to see these on sale. This is I think this is the white cement colorway, right? White cement colorway 2. Damn. Those are the exact same pair that they have at Chic for way cheap. The crazy thing about JD Sports and these other bigger shops, bigger chains, they have a bigger selection. Look at this. They have, what, four different colorways of the Vomero pluses right there, and then they got these Vomeros right here. Crazy. Oh wait, these are Vomero 18s, and then these are pluses. They look the freaking same, dude. They're so hard to tell. They definitely have a way bigger selection of the Vomeros and the Vomero pluses. Oh wait, they do got them. They do got them. You just have to ask for them, I guess. Dang, the music here, not bad. They got a nice little mix. Way old school stuff mixed in with newer stuff. But yeah, music's loud as hell. I gotta go. Maybe one more stop. Wait, in the women's, they do have these Vomero pluses. Vomero pluses on sale, $35, something like that, but $25. But at least it's the start. Maybe they'll go down even more. We'll see.